Hi guys, today in this video I will show you how to download and install VLC Media Player for all Windows versions. So let's get started. First open your browser, any browser, and search for VLC Media Player. As you can see there are plenty of options. I prefer the third link. Video LAN official page for VLC Media Player, the open. Open that link and the site comes. I have already downloaded it. Now it's time of viewers to download it. Download VLC options will help you to download VLC Media Player. After downloading it, open the setup. Yeah, this is the setup. It's loading. Select your language and press OK button. Then next, next, and browse where you want to install. It's your choice that where you want to install it. And then install. This installation takes around 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. So it's not too hard to do. Yeah, it's half done and run VLC Media Player option and finish. Yeah, as you can see, this is the VLC Media Player and you have installed this freely. I hope you all enjoyed it. Jai Hind.